Alrighty guys, what is going up? I hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's episode, we're going to be talking about how to find stocks to swing trade on Finviz. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you guys got anything in value, hit that like button because it really helps me out. Also, if you have any questions, go ahead and ask them in the comments down below. And if you guys want to learn more about investing in the stock market, go ahead and check out my course. It's only $5 and you guys will definitely learn how to properly invest in the stock market. So I hope you guys enjoy it. So now let's jump into it, roll that intro, let's go. Bam! Alrighty guys, so we are up and loaded on Finviz.com. Now, what is Finviz? Finviz is a free stock scanner that really allows you to find opportunity in the market. Because as a swing trader, your main goal is to find smart swing trades. You can't swing trade random stocks. You need to find stocks that maybe meet your strategy, meet some criteria, and overall, make sure you guys make the most money. So I would recommend Finviz. It's free, it's awesome. So now, just by looking at it, it comes off a little intimidating, but it's really not, guys. So looking at it, we have the top 3 indexes, Dow Jones, NASDAQ, and the S&P 500. When you continue to scroll down here, these are going to be the stocks that most people are going to be day trading. These are going to be often small cap stocks that are running up or have fallen in value a lot here. So we have the top losers, the top gainers, new highs, new lows. We have overbought, oversold, most volatile, unusual volumes, upgrades, downgrades, insider before, insider after, buying and selling. So this is mostly for day traders, and we don't care about that. We care about swing trades. So what I like to do is, if you don't want to, make your own screener here, which is fine, what you can do is just go to trendline support. And now these are going to be the stocks that are on some support lines. So that's a pretty cool opportunity right there. And this is trendline resistance. So these are going to be stocks that maybe come across a little overvalued or are at some nearby resistance. So looking at this one here, let's just pull it up. You guys can see it has some clear resistance here at probably around, $10. And so you guys can see it hit it, sold off, hit it, sold off, sold off, boom, 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 boom. So now hit it. Now I think that we could possibly have some short-term sell-off. So that could be a good swing trade. So that's really what our goal is. But we're going to create our own scanner here, or screener. So click on this tab. Now we're going to click all. So what this does is it really puts the descriptive, the fundamental, and technical. So the descriptive is like the float, stuff like that, how many shares are out there for the public. The fundamental is going to be like balance sheet stuff. That's going to be like debt to equity. That's going to be, price to earnings, stuff like that. And then the technical is going to be like patterns. That's going to be moving average lines, stuff like that. So we want to put them all together so we don't have to, click through all of them. So now what I like to do is I like to scroll down here and I like to click the price and go under 20. The reason why is because with a small account, you're going to really want to capitalize on share size. That's really important, because if you get a stock that runs up, let's just say $2 or $3, if you have 100 shares, that's a couple $100. So that's pretty important. So now the next thing I want to do is I want to go to this right here, relative volume. So really what this means is this is the overall demand for the stock here. So I like to go pretty much anything over 0.75, and you can just play around with it. So let's just start off with over 1, and then we can change it. So you guys can see we still have about 1,000 stocks left to look at, but we still have a little more a little more criteria to put in. So now the next thing here I like to do is click this pattern button. I like to go ahead and go to trend line support. So that TL support, we're going to click strong, but we can always change it. That's the awesome thing about the scanner. Now we filtered all the way to 27 stocks left, but we're not done yet, because we want volume. We want people to be buying. We want these stocks to be pretty traded. So we're going to click average volume. And then we're going to go to over 500K. So this is over 500,000 shares traded. So that's pretty important. So now we went from 24 to 9 shares, or 9 stocks, excuse me. Now the next thing is we're going to want to click this charts tab and now just look for opportunities. So what you can do is find one. So let's just go ADMP. Okay, so maybe there is some support here. So now what I like to do is pull up my main account. Okay, so now I like to go ahead and make sure I'm on the yearly chart. and now just look for opportunity. So you guys can see it. It had some overall support here at around 30 cents. It did find some more support here at, maybe 40 cents. The stock ran up to $1.50 and just been selling off ever since. We're still on that downward trend. Let's not even touch it. So that's what I like to do. I like to just continue to look for opportunity in the market. So you guys can see another one. We want a stock that has an upward trend very similar to this one here. So CDE, we pull it up. CDE, pull it up. So now this one here, we are on an upward trend, which is very strong. So we can draw out this trend line and look at that. So now this is a new support for this stock. So you could possibly make a trade from, 750, set your stops here at around, 725, risk 25 cents for the stock to come up to new resistance, which is over $1. So you're risking 25 cents to make over $1, $1.15. So that's a pretty good risk to reward. So that's what I like to do. I like to use Finviz, use my TD Ameritrade's, charting, because I think the charting's a little better, And if that's say there's no opportunity, there's no opportunity. You never force a trade, never force a swing trade. That's super important. But another thing here too is that say you want any price, you can put that in. So now we still have 24 or 20. And you can just continue to look for stocks that meet your criteria. So looking at CREE, we had this resistance, and then look at this resistant breakout. There could be a possible short-term short in the stock for the stock to curl back down and hit that old resistance, which is now new support. So you could possibly make a swing trade shorting, to $75. I think that could be a very strong possibility. So that's the biggest thing here, guys, is finding opportunity in the market. And I feel like Finviz is a free service. Anybody can use it. And the awesome thing here too is it's free. You don't have to upgrade to this elite platform. You don't need advanced charting tools because you can pull it up on TD Ameritrade, which is free too. So it's going to save you money. It's going to save you a lot of headache, a lot of time. And it's just a very, very cool platform. And there's all of the fundamentals, the statements right here. So if you guys want to continue to look it up. Alrighty guys, so that is it though. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. And if you did, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you guys have any questions or concerns, go ahead and ask them in the comments. Don't forget to check out my course, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and especially right now, guys, stay safe out there. We'll see you tomorrow. Take care, guys.